Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope your new year was wonderful. I can't believe it's 2019 already and there's so many things I want to accomplish, and the first thing I want to accomplish this year is to get my hutch totally cleaned out from Christmas. All that fake snow is still kind of everywhere. I went ahead and packed up my Christmas Rae Dunn and I pulled out everything, my entire collection. That is all clean and spick and span. It smells really good too because of the furniture polish. I'm going to figure out where I want all of this to go in here, and I went ahead and made an inventory of everything I have. Took one of the little notebooks with one of my pens and went through and sort of wrote down everything that I have so that I can know what I'm looking for, what I have when I go shopping. So now I gotta get all that Rae Dunn stuff in this hutch, and I'm a little bit nervous doing this on video because it usually takes me a long time because I'm like, oh no, I gotta switch things around, I gotta do something, and I do not have a plan in mind. I just kind of wing it and we'll see how it goes.
I ain't feeling lonely in a moment, it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? I see you for a moment, even hoping I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you for a moment, even hoping I can feel you. Voices getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, while we got our feelings amplified. Staying to the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring, seeing all the truth behind your eyes. I see you for a moment, even hoping I can feel you.
I got my dining room looking all clean and put together and back to normal after the post-Christmas craziness. And here is a close-up of my hutch. It's not totally done, and I always like to kind of move things around. And I really went with a simple tablescape for my dining room. I have the Let's Eat plates and these grapevine napkin rings. I will link in my Amazon down below. I've had them for a couple years and they've held up great. These are from Dollar Tree, Bake Snow, Dollar Tree candles. And I believe I got these from Marshall's in the fall. And I think I got these from Home Goods or Marshall's a couple years ago. So yeah, this is my cleaned dining room, and I'm so happy to have it back to normal. Hopefully you got some cleaning motivation from this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I also make a Rae Dunn series on Sundays.